We were all expecting the release of Cardano smart contracts feature to pump our Cardano bags, but that did not happen. We actually took a big fat L, and Cardano's price has fallen since the launch. But do not lose your hope just yet. There's something cooking up in the chart for Cardano. The Cardano Summit is coming up on Saturday, and Cardano's chart is looking bullish. Stick around and I'll give you my long-term and my short-term price targets for Cardano. Okay, it's time to look at the charts. Let's find the order out of the chaos. Normally, I would start this off by looking at Bitcoin's price chart, but I'm not going to do that today because I've already covered that. So if you are interested in my Bitcoin price targets, make sure to check out my previous video. In terms of market sentiment, the fear and greed index shows there's still some fear in the market, but that is good for us because it is during this time that we are able to pick up assets for cheap. We are looking at the 4-hour chart for Cardano, and from the chart we see that Cardano recently just broke out of this descending wedge pattern, right? This descending wedge pattern over here is usually a bullish indicator, right? And it normally predicts with a high probability that prices will push up. And just as expected, we see that the Cardano's price broke out. It came back down to retest the pattern for confirmation. It got the confirmation of the breakout, and now the price is pushing back up to continue the breakout, right? But we will definitely have some resistance along the way, right? So let me bring up the VPVR. And with the VPVR on the chart now, we can see that there's a lot of resistance along the way, right? So in this zone over here, this big zone over here, we see a lot of resistance for Cardano, right? So I expect the push back up to take some time, right? It's definitely not going to be a straight run through the resistance zone. This will take some time, but I have my bullish price target for Cardano sitting at this price level, which is at about $2.65, right? And that is in confluence with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So we just need Bitcoin to trade sideways or steadily move up for Cardano to hit my bullish price target, my short-term bullish price target sitting at $2.65. But if Bitcoin starts acting goofy and Bitcoin falls in price, then Cardano will not reach that price level. There will definitely be some resistance along the way for Cardano to hit my price target at $2.65. But I expect Cardano to push through that resistance levels and go hit that price target. We'll probably even have some whale just come up and just buy up a lot of Cardano and push the price to $3. For my long-term price target for Cardano, Cardano has a lot of good DeFi projects coming soon for Cardano and some good smart contract applications coming soon for Cardano. So I see Cardano going bullish from here. After Cardano breaks through that $2.40 and the $3 resistance zone, Cardano will take off. No migos. Alright, so make sure to help a brother out. Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. And plus, if you've not yet taken advantage of the 7.5% interest rates from BlockFi, definitely check out the links in the description and get $10 worth of Bitcoin with your sign up as well. And plus, you'll be getting me a free cup of coffee. And also make sure to check out this video for my previous price prediction on Bitcoin.